Living Flame number 28, to know the Father. We read from John chapter 14. Jesus said to his disciples, "If you know me, then you will also know my Father. From now on, you do know him and have seen him." Philip said to Jesus, "Master, show us the Father, and that will be enough for us." Jesus said to him, "Have I been with you for so long a time, and you still do not know me, Philip? Whoever has seen me has seen the Father. How can you say, 'Show us the Father'?" This beautiful living flame assures us that only a Father's love can give us hope in our life. To know the Father. Just linger with that phrase, to know the Father. Because our mission in life, according to our old catechism or catechesis, is to know God, to follow God, and to love God. These are the three most important things that we must do in our life: to know Him, to love Him, and to follow Him. And there's no other more important knowledge than knowing the Father. Knowing that in Jesus, we see also the face of the Father. This is our sure path in order for us to arrive at our destination in life. This is the surest path in order for all of us to achieve peace or to accomplish fruitfulness, flourishing in our life. Kung gusto nating magkaroon ng direksyon ng buhay, kung gusto nating magkaroon ng liwanag ang ating pag-iisip, kung gusto natin magkaroon ng kapayapaan o kapanatagan sa ating puso at kalooban, isa lang ang babalingan natin: to know the Father. And in Jesus, we see the Father. And in knowing the Father, we are given the truth of our lives. That everything has purpose, everything has meaning. It is the Father. To do the Father's will is my food, Jesus said somewhere in the Gospel. Ang kanyang pagkain ay ang tugunan at sundan ang kalooban ng kanyang Ama. Ganon din ang hamon at paalaala sa ating mga tagasunod ni Jesus. Kilalanin ang Ama. Kilalanin na mayroon tayong Ama, na hindi tayo nag-iisa sa ating paglalakbay. And this knowing God or knowing the Father is not your academic knowledge of knowing. Ang kaalaman sa Diyos, ang pagkilala sa Diyos ay hindi lang po nakabatay sa aklat o sa mga nababasa natin o mga na-attenda nating seminar or formation. Knowing God, yes, partly by our Bible studies, by our formation programs. In those activities, yes, we can know God. But knowing God or knowing the Father is more than just knowing Him by the books or through the books or knowing Him through the lectures. This knowledge is heart to heart. Cor ad cor loquitur. Heart speaks to heart. This is the language of God. This is how the Father communicates to us. This is how God reveals Himself to us. He shows us His merciful face. The name of God is mercy, as Pope Francis said to us when he was still alive. The face of God is mercy. Makikilala natin ang Diyos sa habag at awa na nararamdaman natin sa isa't isa. Sa mga nagpaparamdam sa atin ng pag-ibig at pagkalinga, they show us the Father. And this is also our mission in life, to become a reflection, a mirror of the love of the Father to all humanity, to all our brothers and sisters, near or far. Show us the Father. This is the innocent question of Philip in our gospel today. Show us the Father. Jesus was a bit disappointed with Philip, and he was telling him, I've been with you all this time, Philip, and you still do not know me. If you see me, you see the Father. What Jesus meant to tell Philip and what he wants to tell us today is, where there is love, there is God. Ubi caritas, Deus tibi est. Kung nasaan ng pag-ibig, nandun din ang Diyos. Paano mo makilala at makikilala ang mukha ng Diyos sa ating panahon? Sa mga pagkakataon at karanasan ng pagmamahalan at pagkakaisa ng mga magkakapatid, ng pagbati ng mga magkakaaway, ng pag-uusap ng mga dating hindi nagpapansinan. Doon mababanaagan ang mukha ng Diyos. The face of the Father is not an abstract face. The face of God is not some portrait or some work of art that is abstract or walang konkretong mukha. Ang mukha ng Diyos ay makikita natin sa mga kapatid natin na nangangailangan lalo tigit. So in our living flame, let us also try to become mirrors and images of the merciful face of the Father in our midst.